You're almost there, Netflix app problem solved. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the settings application on your device and firstly tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Scroll down and find the Netflix option there and tap on that. You will see the offload app option. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Reinstalling the app will make sure that an updated version is installed, which will further fix bugs in the app. Do not worry because offloading the app will just delete the app but keep its documents and data safe. Now, check your internet connection. Tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. You can also switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi if any of the two is not working properly. Also, in cellular, tap on cellular data option and then tap on voice and data and make sure you are connected to 3G or above, and also make sure the toggle button for low data mode is toggled off. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, tap on General and now scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now and your problem should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.